These 6 jobs don't exist yet, but they will very soon. Technology moves fast, and with every new innovation, the landscape of jobs changes too. Just a few decades ago, could you imagine someone saying they were a social media manager or an app developer? Probably not. We're diving into 6 specific roles that seem like something out of a sci-fi movie, but are closer than we think. So if you're ready to see the future of work, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get into it. First up, we've got the Chief Productivity Officer, or CPO for short. Every company wants to be more efficient, right? Get more done in less time with fewer resources. The CPO is going to be a master of AI tools, using them to streamline workflows and identify bottlenecks. Imagine an office where every process, from the supply chain to the meeting schedule, is perfectly tuned for maximum output. They're about working smarter, using data and technology to create a workplace that's as efficient as a well-oiled machine. As companies rely more on data and AI, the demand for someone who can translate all that information into real productivity gains is only going to grow. So, yeah, the CPO, definitely one to watch out for. Next up, we're talking about a job that's all about sustainability and making the most of what we already have. I'm talking about the excess capacity broker. Think about all the resources that go unused every single day. An excess capacity broker is like a matchmaker for these underutilized assets. They'll connect companies that have excess capacity with others that desperately need it, creating a more circular economy where nothing goes to waste. Imagine a construction company with idle cranes during a slow period, connected with a film studio that needs those cranes for a shoot. As we become more aware of our environmental impact, the role of an excess capacity broker is going to become more and more vital. Alright, let's talk drones. As drone technology gets more advanced, the need for skilled drone managers is going to skyrocket. A drone manager is responsible for an entire fleet, from acquiring the right drones to maintaining them and ensuring compliance with regulations. Imagine a drone manager overseeing agricultural drones, analyzing crop data, optimizing irrigation, and revolutionizing farming. As the use of drones becomes more widespread, the demand for skilled drone managers is only going to increase. Chapter 4. Commercial Space Pilot Beyond the Wild Blue Yonder. With companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin pushing the boundaries of space travel, the demand for pilots who can navigate spacecraft beyond Earth's atmosphere is only going to grow. These pilots will need traditional aviation skills and knowledge of orbital mechanics, spacecraft systems, and operating in a microgravity environment. Imagine piloting a spacecraft full of tourists to a luxury space hotel orbiting Earth. As the commercial space industry continues to evolve, commercial space pilots will be at the forefront of this exciting new frontier. Chapter 5. AI Lawyer, Navigating the Legal Landscape of Tomorrow. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it's going to create a whole new set of legal challenges. This isn't just about knowing the law, it's about understanding the complexities of artificial intelligence and how it interacts with our legal systems. Imagine a case where an autonomous vehicle is involved in an accident. Who's at fault? The manufacturer, the developer, or the AI itself? AI lawyers will need to be experts in both law and technology, helping shape the legal frameworks that will govern the use of artificial intelligence. It's a challenging but incredibly important role, crucial in ensuring that AI is developed and used responsibly. Chapter 6. Augmented Reality. Architect. Designing the future of experience. These are the creative minds who will design the virtual layers that overlay our physical environment. Think about walking down the street and seeing interactive AR displays that provide information about nearby businesses or real-time traffic updates. Imagine attending a concert where the stage explodes with AR effects that enhance the music and create an immersive experience. AR architects will be responsible for designing these experiences, creating engaging and informative virtual worlds that seamlessly blend with our own. As AR technology continues to evolve, the demand for skilled AR architects will only grow, shaping the future of how we experience the world around us. The future awaits. Are you ready? So there you have it. 6 jobs that don't exist yet, but probably will very soon. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented rate, the job market is going to continue to evolve along with it. The future of work is all about adaptability, creativity, and a willingness to embrace new technologies. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of work, hit that like button, subscribe for more content exploring the world of tomorrow, and let me know in the comments what other future jobs you'd like to see us cover. Until next time, keep your heads up and your minds open. Peace out.